Welcome to MarineMax Maryland. My name is Perry. We just took in this 2022 Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. You have the black 300 horsepower Mercury on this boat with the stone interior. This boat just has just under 200 hours on it. You've got the vinyl flooring, which is in great condition. The cushions on this boat, exceptional. The boat does have bottom paint, was kept in the water, and the previous owner upgraded to a little bit larger Sea Ray. But this has always been a very popular boat. These seat backs rotate aft and forward to make this cockpit much larger at rest. This boat does have trim tabs, electronic start-stop, Fusion audio with the large 12-inch Simrad display. Head is on the port side here. This vacuum flush head, pump out, freshwater sink. Center walk-through into the bow. Armrests, grab handle, stainless steel. Really nice, popular boat from Sea Ray over the years. If you'd like to come see this boat in person, again, she's here at MarineMax in Kent Island. 2022 Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard with just under 200 hours. Again, my name is Perry. Please give us a call. 410-732-1260.